Check the torque setting on section 4-B.
Hand me the digital wrench.
Reading steady on the monitor.
Steady on the gradient, keep it smooth.
All right, I'm switching to the detail gun now.
Watch your step on the lower platform.
Running the level 3 diagnostic now. Watch the temperature spike when the vapor releases.
Copy that. Looks stable on my end.
The crane is clear on the left side.
Okay, bring the fuselage forward slowly.
Check the pressure on gauge 3.
Initiating the cooling sequence now.
Data looks stable. We have a successful cycle.
All right, the probes are set. What's the reading?
Standing at 28 volts, looks good.
Securing the unit.
Confirmed. The red indicator light is active.
Sierra Alpha, you are cleared for the starboard engine alignment. Maintain current vector. Traffic is clear. Runway heading 27 right, confirming engine parameters are stable.
Checked. We have green lights across the board, Captain.
Cleared to proceed. Maintain visual contact.
Steady now, steady.
Torque setting confirmed on panel 4.
Copy that. Moving to panel 5.
Steady, lower it down.
Check the alignment on section 42.
It is off by 3 millimeters according to the schematic. We need to recalibrate the jig.
Check the vibration levels on screen 3. Reading nominal.
Roger that. Proceeding with the test sequence.
Ensure the alignment on these overhead bins is precise and check the fluorescent panels.
Verified. The consistency matches the blueprint specs.
Good. Now, the tactile feel of the fabric seats.
Checklist complete on the starboard engine. We are clear for spin up. Roger that. Initiating sequence now. All right, bring it up slowly on your side.
Copy that. Watching the clearance now.
Panel 5-7 is clear.
Torque wrench engaged on the starboard side. Check alignment now.
Alignment looks good. Continue tightening.
Check the alignment on the starboard stabilizer.
Looks good from here. Ready for the next sequence.
We need to double check the torque settings on the nose gear strut.
Agreed. And let's verify the wiring harness connections right here.
And with that, the newest 747 is officially open. Congratulations to the team. All right, bring the nacelle up slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Copy that, moving it now.
The pressure differential valve reading is still showing an anomaly here on subsection 4.
Yes, I see that, but the calibration log was updated this morning.
Ensure the rollers are secured at these points before we move the fuselage section.
Copy that. I'll oversee the adjustment now.
Check the pressure reading on line 4 right here.
Okay, adjusting the flow rate now. Looks stable. The torque on this connection looks off according to the schematic.
Yeah, let's double check the calibration before we proceed.
Check the alignment on the starboard engine mount.
Looks good from here, within tolerance.
Status update on the forward fuselage connection.
Torquing complete. Awaiting your clearance for the next phase.
We are reading 95 psi on the main strut. Adjusting the fitting now. Confirm secure. Check the pressure on line 3. Reading nominal. Secure the cart right there. Roger that. Moving the platform now. Roll it slowly. Watch the edge there. Looks good. Keep going.
What an amazing effort, everyone. Reading steady at 24 volts on pin 3.
24 volts, pin 3. Noted.
Clear. Move to the next sequence.
We need that panel secured before the next shift. Roger that. Bringing the crane around now. Heads up on level 3. Make sure that alignment is spot on. Got it. Looks good for the next stage.
This hydraulic line seems slightly out of spec right here. See the abrasion?
Yeah, I see it. I'll write up a non-conformance report. Blade set 42 appears secure. Confirming alignment on the tablet now. The clearance looks precise. Right there, below the leading edge actuator. I see it. Looks secure from here.
Chiller activation sequence initiated.
Stable at 25 degrees. Looks good. The alignment here seems correct, but we are seeing some unexpected vapor from the lower housing. Document that immediately. All right, team. Final checks complete. Welcome aboard the newest addition to the fleet.
Looks perfect, Captain.
Crane moving into position over Bay 3.
Acknowledged. All teams confirm green status. All right, everyone. Welcome aboard Ship 10. Let's get her ready for the flight.
Looking good, Captain.
We are clear for boarding sequence now.
Confirmed, Captain. Welcome aboard, everyone.
Great work, team! We finished the 747. That's the best taxi test yet.
Absolutely flawless. Well done, everyone.
We need to verify the torque settings on these structural beams before the next phase.
Understood. I have the updated checklist right here.
Ensure the locking clamps are fully engaged before torquing.
Verified on the schematic. Looks good.
According to this schematic, the wiring harness needs adjustment right there.
All right, I see it. We'll reroute it before the inspection.
Check the seam alignment on section 4.
Looks good from here. Thermal stress within tolerance.
Bring the crane down slowly.
Watch the alignment on the port side.
Looks good from here. Lock it in.
Look at that beauty go.
We finally did it, everyone! Bravo!
All right, team, single file as we enter the cabin. Mind the wrapped seats.
The diagram shows the yellow bundle connects to port 4. I show port 5.
Let's verify the revision number on the cradle display.
Ground Team 2, confirm status on fuselage section 41. We show green across the board here. Verify alignment on the starboard wing, over.
Reading green, holding position.
We need to verify the torque settings on the green modules here.
Checked. The schematics match the installation.
To the future of air cargo and the incredible partnership of Boeing and Atlas Air.
Initiating hydraulic flow sequence on port B.
Confirming pressure at the manifold. Holding steady.
Sequence complete. All parameters green. Thrust levels increasing rapidly. Check the fuel flow on panel 4.
Copy that. Fuel flow is stable, but EGT is spiking. Check the alignment on these headrests against the spec sheet.
Alignments look good, but we have an open item on the armrest friction.
Noted.
I'll cross-reference the torque values.
Congratulations!
Secure the connection on the blue wire.
Hand me the crimper.
We have an alert on the diagnostic panel. Verify the continuity immediately.
Verify connection point Alpha 7.
Confirmed. Activating the light sequence now.
Red light illuminated, reading nominal.
Good. Let's move to the next panel. This wiring harness here doesn't match the revision on the schematic.
Okay, I see that. We need to flag this section before the next phase.
Control confirms crane movement initiated on Sector 4. Maintain current vector and report status.
The pressure on strut 3 is still reading low. Adjust the valve setting by 5 degrees. Copy that. Initiating adjustment now.
Okay, bring the starboard wing section down slowly.
Copy that. Watching the clearance on the tail.
We need that panel over here, stat.
Sequence initiated. Check the flow rate on screen 3.
Flow rate is nominal. Pressure gauge reading 52 psi.
Does this alignment match the specifications here?
Yes, that looks correct. Proceed with the stitch.
We did it! What a beauty! Great job, everyone!
According to the tablet, the alignment for section 4B is critical. The robotic arm will secure the panel now, so let's confirm the coordinates.
Check the torque specs on section 4.
Already adjusted the parameters, we are cleared for the next sequence.
Torque check on panel 7 completed.
Copy that. Moving to panel 8.
These waveforms are stable, matching the projected efficiency curve on the tablet.
Agreed. The chiller is operating within optimal parameters for integration.
Incredible work, team. We finally finished her.
Setting down now. Watch the clearance on frame 4.
Clear. Pressure looks good. Give the thumbs up.
As you can see, the taxi test was successful. The engine response times are exactly where we need them.
Yeah! Woohoo! Great job, everyone. All right, team, welcome aboard.
Thank you, Captain. Ready for departure.
Test sequence initiated. Pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
Copy that. Confirm steam release in Sector 4.
The specs on this wiring harness look off.
Let me see the schematic. We might need an adjustment before the inspection.
Reading stable at 0.02 volts. The connection is secure.
Crane 1, you are clear to proceed with the lift on Bay 3.
Roger that. Moving the section now. The temperature is holding steady at 20 Celsius, and the pressure is right at 2 bar.
Noted. I'm logging the meter readings now.
Align that beam with the bracket now.
Confirmed alignment, torque to specifications.
Securing the bolts.
A little further left on that alignment pin.
Got it. Torquing now.
Measurements confirmed, ready for repositioning.
Roger that. Engaging the turntable now.
Stand clear. Rotation starting.
Spanning over 200 feet, the fuselage arrives for final assembly, a testament to modern engineering.
The alignment on the starboard fuselage section is confirmed. Proceed with the next phase.
We did it! What an amazing achievement!
Well done, everyone!
Checking the connection on terminal 4.
Solid contact, reading 0.063 volts.
Logging that now.
The
The diagnostic meter shows a pass on the electrical connections.
Okay, I am logging the reading now. The pressure looks good too.